Hi, hello guys, welcome back to our channel everyone. Today we're going to do a comparison test and review the Zebronics ZDB-MC 10000 Plus power bank and the Reconnect RAP-BB1006 power bank. Now if you find this video interesting, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Now the Zebronics ZEB-MC 10000 Plus power bank and the Reconnect RAP-BB1006 power bank. Both of these power banks does come well packed inside these boxes, which also displays its features. Both of these power banks are 10,000 mAh power banks. Now as you can see inside the box, first you would find the power bank itself in both of these packages packed in plastics. Both of these power banks does have USB Type A to micro USB connectors for charging. However, the packaging is not that great in the case of Zebronics power bank. You do get a warranty card along with both of these devices, which serves 1 year of warranty. You get a user manual and the warranty card along with the Zebronics ZEB-MC 10000 Plus power bank. Whereas you only get a warranty card in the case of Reconnect RAP-BB1006 power bank. Now, as I said before, both of these power banks are 10,000 mAh power banks. Both of these devices does take 6 to 7 hours to charge fully, which is sufficient enough to charge 3 to 5 devices fully to 100%. Both of these power banks does have their LED notification lights near the multifunctional buttons. The Zebronics power bank has its LED notification lights placed near the multifunctional buttons, whereas the Reconnect power bank has its LED notification lights placed on either sides of the buttons. These LED lights are used to identify the battery percentage left with the power bank. The Zebronics does have 3 output ports which support USB 1 from the right DC 5 volts at 1 amps, USB 2 DC 5 volts at 1 amps, USB 3 DC 5 volts at 2.1 amps. Among these 3 output ports, USB 3 only supports fast charging. The Reconnect power bank does have only 2 output ports, among which the right one does support fast charging at 5 volts of 2.1 amps. Both of these power banks does have LED flashlight. These LED flashlights are quite useful during emergency situations. The flashlight in the Zebronics power bank is more powerful than the flashlight in the Reconnect power bank. The last but not the least difference among these power banks is their size. The Reconnect power bank is very small and compact and it is lightweight, whereas the Zebronics power bank is very big and slightly heavy. There is a huge difference in the prices of these two power banks. The Zebronics power bank is priced at Rs 1860 inclusive of all taxes, whereas the Reconnect power bank is priced at Rs 999 inclusive of all taxes. So guys, this is my review and comparison test on the Zebronics ZEB-MC 10000 Plus power bank and the Reconnect RAP-BB1006 power bank. So if you find this video interesting, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Take care.